We are getting right to the market action today. Let's bring in Nick Santiago. A surprise rise, Nick, in that GDP up 2.6%. Is it time for the Fed to cool it with these rate hikes because the economy is looking strong?
Well, I think the Fed will probably try to put out some verbiage soon about cooling it a little bit. And that's kind of why we're bouncing now. The markets are getting a bit of a bid. But honestly, I don't think this changes anything. I think that the markets are still going to move lower one more time after this bounce concludes. And, we may see a rally up into election day. That's a very good possibility. But this is all on the basis that the Fed is going to slow down rate increases going forward. What everyone needs to do is watch the 2-year Treasury note yield. That's where the Fed funds rate needs to be. Jay Powell was a money manager. He's not from academia. He knows where the Fed funds rate needs to be. So just watch that. It's pulling back a little bit. And again, if it pulls back enough, then he could actually slow it down and say, all right, we're going to take a pause. But if that continues to move higher, he has to chase it. And right now he's behind the curve.
What is your trade of the day?
My trade of the day is silver, Ange. I'm in love with silver. The SLV is the silver ETF. This thing looks poised for another big surge. I just think that if the central bankers do pause, silver's set for a move. If they don't pause and panic comes into the market because banks like Credit Suisse are falling apart, money's going into silver. And that's my play right now.
You have been loving the silver trade, and it's working for you. Thanks a lot, Nick.
Thank you so much for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.